January 3rd, 2026, 02:15 a.m. While the world slept, the geopolitical landscape of South America was rewritten in a matter of minutes. This was Operation Absolute Resolve. 3 next-generation Ghost Hawk stealth helicopters penetrate the Caracas air defense bubble. They move in total silence, protected by a localized EMP that turns the city's power grid into a graveyard. The Venezuelan Presidential Guard is blind. They are deaf, and they are about to face a force they didn't believe existed. Or 2:25 a.m., ground level at the palace. Witnesses don't describe human soldiers. They describe machines. Humanoid autonomous breach units, or combat bipeds, land in the courtyard. These robots move with a terrifying liquid fluidity, unaffected by suppressive fire or human fear. These are the descendants of the Electric Atlas, refined for high-stakes extraction. They are the tip of the spear, designed to enter the most dangerous rooms first so that no American blood is spilled. Then comes the noise. Not a bang, but a sonic blast. The U.S. deploys the variable frequency acoustic weapon. In an instant, the air itself becomes a weapon. The high-intensity pressure waves hit the defenders with the force of a physical wall. This is acoustic incapacitation. The brain's motor cortex is overwhelmed. Guards fall to the ground, fully conscious but physically paralyzed. Their nervous systems are shattered. The physical evidence is undeniable. The extreme decibel levels create a pressure differential that ruptures the tiny capillaries in the human head. Survivors report bleeding from the nose, the mouth, and the ears. Vision blurs as the sound vibrates the very fluid in their eyes. For those caught in the beam, the world becomes a haze of pain and numbness. So 2:35 a.m., while the guards lie helpless, the humanoid units move in. They ignore the sonic frequencies that are crushing the humans around them. They locate Nicolas Madero. They secure him with mechanical strength and carry him to the waiting stealth craft. By the time the sonic vibrations stop, the target is gone. 4:04 a.m. Madero is in custody on the USS Iwo Jima. The guards wake up with fractured memories and physical trauma. January 3rd, 2026 marks the first time a nation AS leader was extracted by a ghost army of machines and invisible energy. The era of traditional warfare is over. The era of the machine has begun.